In this new video I will show you how to get COVID-19 updates using Python with information provided by the Johns Hopkins University. This is going to be very easy, but first we need to download the COVID package provided by Johns Hopkins University. Using pip install COVID.
One day that I would find a story to tell.
It will take a few seconds. Meanwhile, you can subscribe for more videos and activate the bell. So now that it's done, we can go to the terminal. We write Python and we write the following code. We need to import everything from COVID. We create a variable called COVID where we are going to assign a function called COVID. And now if we want all the data to be displayed, we write the following code: covid.get_data and press enter. As you can see, it's a lot of data. So let's sort it by countries. We need to write covid.list_countries and press enter. And now we can look for a specific country name and we can check it individually. For example, let's check the United States cases. So to do this, we write covid.get_status_by_country_name, and as a parameter we write the name of the country that we want to check. In this case it's going to be US. Now let's check India cases. And we do the same thing. covid.get_status_by_country_name, and as a parameter we write India. This gives you the confirmed cases, the active cases, the deaths, and the recovered cases.
We bless the sun 'cause it gave light to our days.
So this is how you get COVID-19 updates using Python with information provided by Johns Hopkins University. So thank you for watching and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you.